Hey fellas, this is the Low Rent Bartender Show. And this evening fellas, I'm making a classic dark and stormy night. Because I'm using Bacardi's rum. Anybody knows what I'm talking about? They know what I'm talking about. I'm making a dark and stormy night. Alright, here we go. This is the one-handed show. Now normally I put the liquor in first, but on a dark and stormy you put the ginger beer in first. So let me explain that, right? How about that? It's made with ice, cocktail glass, whatever. A ginger beer. Here's White Rock, my favorite go-to. Cane sugar. Here's a more expensive one. I'll say that for the missus. This is fine for me. And a dark rum. I'm using Bacardi Black. You can use other ones, and if you use the correct one, then I can give you the correct name, because I copyrighted it. And then a twist of lime. Now, some drinks, the rum is so good, I really don't like too much lime, so you'll see why I do what I do, okay? Okay, so here we go. First off, normally I pour the whiskey, right? But on this one, let me get this set up so Charlie can get in. Okay. This one I pour the ginger beer in first. Okay. I kept make sure it was cold so it don't bubble up a lot. Now, being I'm going to put the whiskey in last. Oh, I wish I could have my both hands. I'll show you a trick. Maybe I can do it still. Look. Here's a trick. Here's a trick. If you pour it on there, how am I going to do it? It's a one arm, man. If you do it on this, it doesn't bubble as much. You make it go down the stick. See that? Do you see what I'm doing here, fellas? You see how it ain't bubbling up as much because it went down the stick? You see that? You see that? You digging that, man? Okay. Give it about that much because you're going to put a shot in it. I hope that's okay, fellas. It's a low rent show. It's a low rent show. Okay. I should have been back more. But you see how this thing, that's a trick. That's why it spirals on it. If you see a bartender's spoon, it'll have spirals on it. And that way they can pour in the carbonated stuff without bubbling all over and becoming uncarbonated. Okay. This is Bacardi Black. You can taste the molasses. You can smell. Oh, it's a good drink, baby. Okay, let me see. I got to do this again. Hold on, fella. Remember last time, right? Okay. Look, now check this out. Check this out. I got to do something here. I don't know. Hold on a second. Alright, we're still on here. Okay. This is why it's called a dark and stormy. I'm laying, getting down on my knees, Phil. Getting down on my knees. This is why it's called a dark and stormy night. Well, watch this. Now I should be doing that with that one too, see? But I can't. Okay, it'll work. Look. See how it's a dark and stormy night, fella? Look. See how it's dark on top, like a storm coming, that black cloud storm coming, and near the horizon it's still clear. See that? See, that's your dark and stormy night. Then you put one of these on here. Because if you want the lime, you got it. Can you see it? Maybe you can see it here too. Yeah, there you go, okay. There's your dark and stormy. Don't worry about the garbage, I'm cooking. There's your dark and stormy night. Bacardi Black, White Rock Gin and Tonic, and a slice of lime on the side. How about that, huh? I'm cooking, fellas. I'm cooking. Hold on. That's why there's garbage around. I'm cooking. La. Garlic, sage, paprika. Look. Can you hear it? Can you taste it, fellas? Okay. And then I got baked potatoes coming. Sour cream, butter, and a nice salad. That's going to be dinner. But you see that dark and stormy? Look. Is that beautiful? See how, you know that idea? See? You understand why it's called dark and stormy night? I got to put the night in there or I get copyrighted. Okay. Fellas, that's it. From the Low Rent Bartender Show. Sorry for the low rent photography, but hey, that's how it rolls. You know what I'm talking about? But the drink is great. There's how you make it. So if you want the lime in it, then you drop it in. But I just want to show you. Ain't that a beautiful drink? It really is a cool drink. I mean, I could have got a little more dark on the top if I had two hands, and I could use this trick. So it just lays on top. Okay, but you got to put the ginger beer in first, okay? And you learn that little trick, okay? Try, practice it, but you put it in this way, and then you hold it, and then the other hand pours the thing, you know, so it's pouring in on this very slowly. And I'll say, because now I got a lot of carbonation. Let me take a taste of this. Let me take it. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Blue velvet, baby. Okay, no. Okay, Bacardi Black. Can't beat it for 15 bucks, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And ginger beer. I like White Rock because it's sugar. I mean, it's sugar cane, not corn syrup. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with this one. And a slice of lime. Okay, fellas? Okay. I was going to say lift hard and heavy. That's my weightlifting channel. Okay. Lift hard and heavy. 1 or 2 of these a day. Keep the doctor away, baby. Okay. Dark and Stormy. That'll be my clip shot or whatever they call it. What do they call that thing? They call it something. Okay, fellas. I got to go. I'm cooking. Bye-bye. Dark and Stormy night. Rum. Ginger beer. Slice of lime. Bye-bye.